아주 갖고 지나고 마치 그냥 쿡 치면서 여기가 추가 힘이 날라가는데 견디게 한다 이게. 너는 어떻게 그 수가 있어? 근데 같이 나와가지고
옥틱은 견적이에요? 옥틱 견적이에요?
아니 저는 안 갖고.
견적되는 거 아니에요?
그래, 발전이 결정 나와. 그래.
Get a shiver in the dark, it's raining in the park, but meantime sound of the river, you stop and you hold everything. A band is blowing Dixie, double fall time. You feel alright when you hear the music ring. Well, now you step inside, but you don't see too many faces. Coming in out of the rain, they hear the jazz go down. Competition in other places, but the horns, they blowing that sound. Way on down south, way on down south, London town.
오지 말라니까. 내가 맞아. 우리 다 지켰어, 영상에. 달려와서 말하는
Check out Guitar George, he knows all the chords. But it's strictly rhythm, he doesn't wanna make it cry or sing. If standing on the guitar is all he can afford, when he gets up under the lights to play his thing, and Harry doesn't mind if he doesn't make the scene. He's got a daytime job, he's doing alright. He can play the honky-tonk like anything, saving it up on Friday night with the Sultans, with the Sultans of Swing. And a crowd of young boys, they're fooling around in the corner, drunk and dressed in their best brown baggies in their platform soul. They don't give a damn about any trumpet playing band. It ain't what they call rock and roll. And the Sultans, yeah, the Sultans, they play Creole. Creole. to the microphone. He says it lasts just as the time bell are the sultans. We are the sultans of swing.
사이버 트럼펫 그나마 시차는 좀 나. 근데 그걸 아이스 바디로 만들면 시대에 맞춰버리니까는
아.
내가 똥땡까지 보니까는 좀 많이 풀리고. 저기서 아빠 밑에
오, 막 되게 잘 올라오네.
아, 전복이 엄청 네.
왜? 배치기. 오, 뒤에 뭐 달고 다니네요? 꼬리 달았네, 꼬리. 저쪽으로 쭉 밀고 가면 되겠다. 대각 쪽으로. 예. 난리 났네.
하면 되는 거 아니야? 그렇지. CD를 갈아가지고 집어넣더라고. 걸린다는 얘기다. 킹핀을 저 조각을 거기를 갈았어. 나 메탈인데? 근데 어떤 놈은 또 메탈에 잘 맞는데 뭐가 맞는지 모르겠어. 그래가지고 일단 지금
shiver in the dark, it's raining in the park, but meantime sound of the river, you stop and you hold everything. A band is blowing Dixie, double fall time. You feel alright when you hear the music ring. Well, now you step inside, but you don't see too many faces. Coming in out of the rain, they hear the jazz go down. Competition in other places, but the horns, they blowing that sound. Way on down south, way on down south, London town. Check out Guitar George, he knows all the chords. But it's strictly rhythm, he doesn't wanna make it cry or sing. If an old guitar is all he can afford, when he gets up under the lights to play his thing. And Harry doesn't mind if he doesn't make the scene. He's got a daytime job, he's doing alright. He can play the honky-tonk like anything, saving it up Friday night with the Sultans, with the Sultans of Swing. And a crowd of young boys, they're fooling around in the corner, drunk and dressed in their best brown baggies in their platform soles. They don't give a damn about any trumpet playing band. It ain't what they call rock and roll. And the Sultans, yeah, the Sultans, they play Creole. Creole. microphone and says it lasts just as the time bell rings. Good night, now it's time to go home. Then he makes it fast with one more thing. We are the Sultans. We are the Sultans.